What is a leveraged loan? Easy explain. At first, a leveraged loan can sound like just another business loan with a slightly technical name. That is why a lot of people hear the term and assume it is only a complicated version of normal borrowing. But the real idea is much more specific. What makes this type of loan different is not just the loan itself. It is who is borrowing, how much debt they already carry, and why lenders treat the loan as riskier than a standard corporate loan. What is a leveraged loan? When people say leveraged loan, they usually mean a leveraged loan. In simple terms, it is a loan made to a company that already has a fairly high level of debt or a weaker credit profile compared with safer borrowers. So the easy explanation is this. A leveraged loan is money lent to a business that is already using a lot of borrowing, which means the lender is taking on more risk than it would with a stronger company. That is why the interest cost is often higher and why the term shows up so often in conversations about corporate risk.
How does it actually work?
The basic structure is not hard to picture. A company needs money, often for something big like a takeover, expansion, refinancing, or a major corporate deal. Instead of raising all that money through stock, it borrows heavily. That is where the word leveraged. The company is using a large amount of borrowed money to move faster or make a bigger transaction than it could with its own cash alone. The loan may then be shared across multiple lenders or sold into parts, so the risk is spread more widely. Where it shows up and what people miss. This type of loan usually appears in the world of large companies and private equity deals, not everyday personal finance. That is one reason the term sounds distant or confusing at first. Most people do not run into it unless they are reading business news, following mergers, or hearing about corporate debt market. The mistake people make is thinking a leveraged loan is automatically bad. It is not. Sometimes it helps a company grow, refinance all debt, or complete a major transaction. But the borrowed money creates pressure. If business conditions weaken, that same loan can become much harder to manage than it looked at the beginning. The risk nobody explains clearly enough. The hidden issue is that a leveraged loan is not just a bigger loan. It is a loan tied to higher financial pressure. If the company's earnings fall, interest costs become heavier and refinancing can get tougher. That is why people pay attention to these loans during uncertain markets. They can work fine when business is stable, but they can look much more fragile when rates are high, growth slows, or investors become more cautious. This is general info, not financial or legal advice. And that matters here, because the word itself sounds neutral, while the risk behind it is anything but neutral. The real takeaway. So, what is a leveraged loan in easy terms? It is a loan to a company that already carries meaningful debt or higher credit risk, usually so the company can fund a large business move or refinance existing borrowing. That is the detail most people miss at the start. The term is not really about a fancy loan product. It is about the borrower's financial position. Once you understand that, the phrase stops sounding abstract and starts making sense. A leveraged loan is simply business borrowing with more debt already in the picture, which is exactly why it can create more opportunity and more risk at the same time. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.